Hello everyone, Jace here again today. We're going to talk about the buck rail suppressor again. This will be part 2 of my buck rail suppressor discussion. When I first got this QB Chief, I didn't even adjust the sights. Right out of the box, I was hitting stuff, no problem, without adjustment. I'll post that right now. Going for one of the balloons. Open sights. When I did put the buck rail suppressor on the QB Chief, makes it look pretty sexy, doesn't it? Now I was using JSB Jumbo Beasts, the heaviest pellet that JSB makes. So I got a camera downrange. I have 3 targets. You'll see. All right, let's put in the JSB 34 grain pellet. It's off safe. Now you should see, I'm going to aim for the bottom target. You see I have 3 targets over there. Now with the buck rail suppressor, the pellet should land a foot above where I'm aiming. So once again, I'm aiming for the bottom target. We'll see how she does. I don't even see anything. Oh, she is, she hit way above, like 2 feet above, maybe. I'll have to aim lower. I wanted to mention again that, all right, guys, I had a little bit of a mess up here. Another tip for you with this suppressor. My first shot, I didn't have it cinched down tight enough, and it slid off like that, and I hit the side of the box. So let's cinch her down pretty good, and we'll do it again. Don't want to strip the screws, but we'll cinch her down nice and snug. We'll try it again. Okay, we'll put another JSB in this bad boy. Or should we say bad chief? Alright. These pellets load roughly. Alright. Aiming at the bottom target again. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Aimed at the bottom target, and I hit the one on top. Alright, guys. Yeah. So here's our results. I guess I hit it a couple times. Again, I was aiming at this bullseye or below, and I would say that's 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet above where I was aiming. Right there. Let's look at the back. Now, as far as I can tell, unless my pellets were going through the same hole, there's 2 exits there. Yeah, my first shot went hard right here. When that, again, my first shot went hard right. I didn't have that suppressor on tight, and the pellet went hard right Didn't even hit the target. Aside from the accuracy issue, this silencer really shuts this gun up. With this off of the QB Chief, dude, it sounds like a 22 LR. I mean, it's a 22, but it's an air gun. But these PCPs, they sound like the firearm counterparts. The last thing I want to mention, this suppressor is made for the QB78, Beeman QB78. And as you can see, if the QB Chief and the QB78 are pretty much the same. This one fits on this gun perfectly. I was having a conversation with another gentleman called Low Key Air Gunner. He's up in Canada. He's a Quebecois like me. Anyway, he was saying he's going to write to Chris, I think he said, who's at Buck Rail, and mention this issue with the suppressor. However, when you go on the website, there, right at the bottom of the web page, there is a paragraph that mentions if your accuracy is off, Buck Rail recommends that you drill out the port. Now, by doing that, they say you'll lose some silence, but hopefully you'll gain some accuracy. Well, that's the video. Thanks for tuning in to Show and Tell with Jay Spell. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.